When the I do's turn into I don'ts, things can get sticky. Board-certified family lawyer Philip Shapani says alimony is something many divorced couples have to deal with.
Different types of alimony. Some alimony is permanent, and some alimony is designed to help that person get back on their feet after the marriage.
Board-certified family attorney and mediator Lynette Mancuso says Florida is operating under a law made in the 1960s.
Florida is one of the last states in the entire country that still awards permanent alimony. But this proposed legislation would do away with all forms of alimony with the exception of temporary alimony while the case is pending, as well as it creates a formula for calculating what alimony should be.
Attorney Shapani broke down those proposed formulas for us. He says the amount of alimony money received would be somewhere in between a range of two numbers. The number on the low end is 0.015 times the years of marriage times the difference in gross income. And the high end is 0.02 times the years of marriage times the difference in gross income. In regard to the length of time the money will have to be paid, it's somewhere between the low end of 0.25 times the years of marriage and on the high end of 0.75 times the years of marriage. These changes would be seen here on the Sun Coast in divorce cases like the ones held here at the Sarasota County Judicial Center. Mancuso says with 80,000 Floridians getting divorced yearly and that number on the rise, this legislation is important.
We're looking for ways to reduce the conflict that families have to go through, as well as reduce the amount of money they spend on litigation.
Attorney Shapani says if the bill passes legislature and the governor signs off on it, the new alimony formulas could be implemented as soon as July 1st, 2016. And according to Attorney Shapani, the number that formula comes out with could be changed by factors within the statute, but it does come out with a range of set numbers.
Well, Christine, the governor vetoed similar legislation last year. What's different with this proposal?
Attorney Shapani says the bills are not retroactive, so those who have settled divorces already awarded permanent alimony would not be affected and will not be able to reopen their divorce cases.
Well, all right. Thank you, Christine.